All right, guys, so there's 5 essential things that you need to make 6 figures flipping vacant land virtually. And you can do this literally from anywhere. We close land deals all the way out in Europe all the time. So the first thing that you're gonna need is a really good market. Now, the best way to pick a market is literally going on your map, finding a big city in really any state that you decide, and then targeting that city's county. So we love to target Duval County. We love to target Miami-Dade County. We love to target Oklahoma County. You can literally pick any county on a map that is in a big city. You just want to make sure it's a metropolitan area. And what we do is we get a list of owners in that city that own vacant lots. Now, that's important. We don't really worry about the houses when we're flipping land. We only want the vacant lots. Vacant lots are easy to flip, guys. The owners don't know what to do with it. There's usually back taxes. They're usually code enforcement fines, and you can get these things super cheap, guys. Just remember that. The next thing you're gonna need is a buyer's list. Now, you don't wanna get into this without a at least solid buyer's list of at least 30 builders. So you want 30 builders on your list before you start flipping any type of land. You can learn how to get the builders pretty easily. You can call or text me at this phone number. The next thing you're gonna need is a title company in the state that you're doing business in. Now, if you need help finding a title company, it's one of the easiest things you can do. Just message me. And the last thing you're gonna need are your contracts. So you want actually a really good purchase contract that has all the right terminology so that you're protected, your homeowner's protected, and also the buyer's protected. So if you want to learn how to flip vacant land and you want to learn how to make 6 figures every year or 6 figures multiple times per year, go ahead and text me.